Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. I am so excited to be decorating my studio for Christmas. It feels like not too long ago I was decorating for Halloween. This year in the beginning was going by so slow. Now I feel like it's picking up and the year is almost over. For the studio, I did opt in for a real Christmas tree. I wanted something more full, something alive. So I have my Christmas tree right here. It is a mini Christmas tree that I got at Kroger. I'm not going to put it right here. I'm not sure where I'm going to have it, and I am decorating it. I have the decorations right here for it. Let's dive right in. Another great thing that I love to do for the holidays that I feel like you guys should do it as well, that just like instantly like gets your clients in the holiday spirit, is getting paper straws that match the holidays. So for Halloween I got the skull ones. For like Valentine's Day I'll get like heart ones, and for Christmas I have the Christmas theme ones. I think this year I'm only going to use maybe the ho-ho, this Christmas tree one that's like the aesthetic of the studio, and maybe the snowflake one because I love snowflakes. And what you do is you'll cut the paper straws, and with the mascara spoolies that you're giving your guests, you just top it before you give it to them, and it just instantly gets them in the holiday spirit. So I got those from Amazon. I also got some stuff from Bath and Body Works that I'm going to change my little wall thing. I only got one. The other ones I just got like my regular favorite scent that is like champagne toast and rose water something. I like those scents for like all year, but for the holidays I do like to add some holiday smell. So this one is called Twisted Peppermint that I'm going to be switching today so it can start smelling like Christmas in here. And I only got one because these usually last me about like 2 months, so I didn't want to get like 4 Christmas scents and then be in the Christmas smell in January. So I only got one, but that's another way to like get your clients in the holiday spirit when they come in and they get that nice smell of whatever holiday you're in. I don't like having candles because when I did have candles they would run out within like 3-4 days, and candles are pretty pricey. These last, like I said, like about 2 to 3 months when I have them plugged in all day and all night, and it keeps my room smelling really good without me running out super duper quick, you know. So now we're getting into the actual decorations. I got this little Santa Claus from Macy's. Macy's is having 60% off like their holiday stuff right now, so this bad boy was like $9. I got a little Christmas car with a Christmas tree back here, and you're gonna see all my decorations are white, gold, pinkish. I keep to that theme because I don't want it to be like red and green up in here for Christmas. I still want to keep it like kind of spot environment and not too like bright in your face. I got this garland. I forgot to tell you, I got this at Target for $10. I got this at Target at the dollar area for $3. It is like a garland with snowflakes. I love snowflakes. Snowflakes are just so pretty. I also got this cute, I'm going to show you guys that last. Oh my god, it is so cute. But I got like decorations for the Christmas tree. I'm not sure. Oh no, it's perfect. I was thinking that this Christmas tree was going to be too big for the Christmas star. I got this star at Michael's last year at the like mini Christmas section where they have like mini Christmas ornaments like these. These I think I got at Target last year for $5, but they're like mini ornaments for a mini Christmas tree. So I didn't know if this was gonna fit, like if the Christmas tree was gonna be too big, but I think it looks pretty cute. So yeah, a tree skirt, of course. I got this one at Michael's or Target, I don't remember, last year, but it's so cute. I think it's gonna fit perfectly. I got some other ornaments in here, just again the vibes, white, gold, pink, my aesthetic right there. I got this little deer. This one is so cute. This is like my favorite, guys. I got this one at Target and my kids really loved it. I'm not sure if I should go pick one up for the kids. Should I put them back here? right there. Super cute. I think that was like $10, and I'm gonna start putting these back here too. I also got some candy canes. These are in a 24 pack. Not for the Christmas tree, maybe I'll add some, but I have this little bad boy that I got at Target for $1. This is really old. It's about like 2-3 years old, but I feel like it's gonna be really cute to put the candy canes in there and put it at my little water station. So when my clients are leaving, if they want to get a little candy cane, they definitely can. And it's just, again, something to like remind my guests, hey, it's Christmas, get in the Christmas mood and the Christmas spirit. So I seen these cute Christmas trees at Target, and I couldn't pass this one up. When I seen it, I fell in love, but by itself, it looked a little off, so I got it a friend. How cute are they together? I got them this year, so if you guys like them, you guys could go check out your Target. I got one bigger and one tiny, and they have a lot of different like styles. I think they have a big just all green with gold, but they look so pretty together. I also saw this Christmas tree at Target, and it was so cute, but I couldn't just get one. I had to get it a friend. So I have these two, and they're so pretty. So can you see? It's like matte and glossy. Oh, they're just so gorgeous. They remind me of like little gnomes, but Christmas trees. Oh my goodness, they make me so happy. So I found these mini stockings. These are actually like ornaments, but I thought they were gonna be perfect for my checkout area, exactly where I had like the little witch hats for Halloween. I wanted to get some little stockings, and these are just to die for. So it's like rose gold, and then they have like gold little snowflakes. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I think they are perfect for the studio, guys. Like, this is me if I was a stocking. When we decorate the Christmas tree in the house, I always get like extra large ornaments to like mix and match with regular sized ornaments. I feel like it gives the Christmas tree just a cuter feel. So for this Christmas tree, I got the mini ornaments, but I wanted to get regular sized ornaments to give it that extra large feel. These I got at Michael's last year. You can see it. One of them says like 2019 right here. But what I like to do is get the ornament and do little lashes on it, just to give it, you know, that Lash studio vibe feel. So that's what I'm going to do to one of them. Maybe a couple of them. I'm going to just get a Sharpie and just draw little lashes on it. Okay, so this year, I don't know if you can hear me, but it's super loud. I decided to get a wreath for the door, and I feel like this one just fits my aesthetic so well. Look how pretty this is. It's like more of a light green. The little bow on it is gold. I need to, you know, straighten it out because it's been in that bag. But look how pretty this ornament, this wreath is. I got it at Target, and it has like 2 little bells. So when I open and close the door, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, and I also got this at Kroger right now when I went to get my Christmas tree. I also wanted to get some of these to make the studio just, you know, smell a little bit more like Christmas. This is just holiday cinnamon scented pine cones. So now I am going to decorate because we need to get a roll on it. Come on, let's do it. done decorating, and let me tell you, I feel like everything turned out exactly how I imagined it. Everything turned out perfect. I am so obsessed. It looks so fabulous in here. When I first thought about bringing a real Christmas tree in here, I kind of wanted to flock it and spray some fake snow on there. I told my husband and he convinced me not to, and I'm so happy he did because it turned out perfect like this. If it would have been flocked with white, it might have not stood out as much as it does. The green is letting like the little ornaments, the pink, the gold, the glitter, the rose gold just stand out, and it just looks so fabulous. The real Christmas tree is bringing Christmas cheer up in this studio. Also, I did show you guys earlier that I got like little pine cones that are cinnamon scented. So I have a little bowl with some in there, and then I also have some lining right here, the little planter, just to give it a little DIY Christmas feel to my like planter. And it is smelling fabulous in here, guys. Like the smell in the studio is just super Christmassy. I got this little garland. It's gold with silver. It matches this one. This one's rose gold with silver, but this one I cut it, and it kind of looks like it's weaving in and out through the little cubicles. So it came out, the touches that I did in here, fabulous. Something I really highly recommend you guys getting is a letterboard. You can switch out whatever it says for the holidays, if you have specials going on, if you just want something cute and like punty, I don't like a pun, it will be super cute for you guys, and it's super easy for you guys to do it. So if you guys want one, I feel like this coffee is making me talk super fast. If you guys want one, the link is in my bio. What am I saying? If you guys want to get one, I have an Amazon storefront in the description down below, so go check it out. I feel like it's like $12–15, but it's crucial to have in your business because, like I said, you guys can easily switch out the quotes, whatever, to match like the holidays and just like switch it around. I painted the little stand that it comes with pink just to match the vibes, but those came in pink, white, and blue, I believe. I think there's even different colors, like just a black and white one. But the one I have on there says the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear, and that is from the movie Elf. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a quote from The Grinch because those are two of my favorite Christmas movies. But other than that, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'm sure I'm going to be taking more pictures and adding them to my stories and just like, you know, getting the Christmas vibes going. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to share with a Lash friend. Let's share the Christmas joy, the Lash love. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also subscribe. If you click my face, you are subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.